Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So I'm always talking about, try to create a handful of important differences so you don't have to rely just on subcontracting. You just don't have to wait on the phone to ring and hope it rings so maybe you can get a chance to bid on a place because they're taking bids. You want to be in a position that you can get your own contracts, that you hold the contract. And also, you don't want to wait till they're just getting bids. You want to be able to go out and make your pitch so you can proactively get clients to say, listen, yeah, we're not even taking bids, but I think I will take one from you because I'm impressed. I think you might be a great company for us. So here's the thing. I thought today maybe I'll just give you, now depending on your company and what you have to offer, but here's could be a sales presentation, a short elevator pitch, based on maybe the important differences that a cleaning business might own. It might sound like this, for example. Hi, Steve. My name is Dan with Green Branch Cleaning, and we do commercial cleaning of offices like this. In fact, the reason I'm here today is your office building is exactly the kind that we specialize in. This is the kind, and in fact, we clean a couple buildings very much like this. One is just down the road, and if you'd like, I can get their information, and maybe you'd like to talk to them. They would be willing to do that. That'd be terrific. So, but I know that's not enough just because you're the kind of building we specialize in. I know that's not reason enough to hire us. But we do have some important differences from a lot of other cleaning companies that you might be running into. Here they are. First of all, we do background checks on all of the folks that we bring in. Number two, we make sure that everyone wears uniform shirts for professionalism. For number three, we have all of our folks wear ID badges for security purposes, so you know who's in your building when they're there. Number four, we do inspections of our work, and you would be getting those quality control inspections from us on a regular basis. And number five, we set the time that needs to be cleaned. We figure out how long it's going to take to clean every visit, and we train our person to clean, let's say, 3 hours a night. And we make sure that all of a sudden, 2 months later, they're not cleaning 1 hour a night or an hour and a half. We find that a lot of clients say that's the problem, and we really address that. So we watch actual versus budgeted hours. So those 5 things are real differences that we think we can bring. I know you may already have a cleaning business working for you, and you may be happy with them. I just wanted to introduce myself and ask if you might give me your permission to at least kind of put together a proposal for you, something that you could see and keep on hand, just in case if you were ever looking at making a change, we wouldn't be strangers to you. We would have met and you'd know our information. Is that something that you'd be willing to let me do for you today? Now, obviously, I'm just doing that off the cuff, but that's the kind of thing that says, listen, you're the kind of business we'd like to do. There's an important handful of reasons we think we're different. I respect the fact that you may not be ready, but would you let us get a proposal in your hands so we can begin to build a relationship? So just an example of a sales pitch, an elevator pitch, whatever folks want to call it, so that you don't have to just rely on waiting for the phone to ring or try to get subcontracting accounts. You can have your own accounts. You can proactively go out there and land those accounts and hold the contract, and that is a value. So I hope that helps. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.